Hello, welcome back. We are here one more time at the SK Rental yard at Incheon. Now, you'll be wondering why we're here one more time. Well, because we have a few updates for you, and also want to take a good look at the cars. So, as usual, every week the auction keeps going, and today we had a chance to join the team that is checking and hand-picking the cars that are gonna go live next week. We're gonna show you in a different video how the process is done. Let's see the bit of behind the scenes, how the cars are processed and picked. But today, just wanna take a walk and just tell you more about what's going on in Auctionwini right now. There is one more promotion that's still going. By the time you're watching this video, if you're watching it right now, it's still going on. It should be fine for a couple more months, but that is the this rental special discount. If you buy any vehicle from here, from what is the rental car yard in Auctionwini, whether it's a local or rental only, you get an additional $200 discount on every car purchase. So that's just want to share some of the news, and let's take a look at some of the cars that are gonna go live this week. So let's get a chance to walk around and explore a bit what the whole yard is, because as you already know, the yard, it's at the main area here in Incheon, and it's quite close to the port, so it's easy to move the cars back and forth to the thing. So let's go upstairs and get a better view of this area. This is the warehouse where most of the vehicles that are coming in are parking there. Some of the cars that move on, especially during the different seasons. Right now, a lot of vehicles are here like separately. You will mostly find here SUVs and minivans, like the bigger size vehicles, and a bit more on the options and luxury one size. But I think around, in general, there are at least between 150 to 100 cars in the yard right now. But there is always a flux of cars coming in and coming out, because as you already know, these cars are renovated very often. There is a lot of options and cars coming in and coming out.